What's up, y'all? I am back and I'm finna make us some din, okay? What I have in mind is I want to make like some burger steaks. Of course, it's I'm using tempeh. TVP and mashed potatoes, onion gravy, and some kale and broccoli, like greens, some type of vegetable for the side. So, um, after I had my salad, I had the last of the vegetable soup that I made. I think it was last week I made that. I just finished the last of that. And let me show y'all, because I prepped my TVP earlier. And it's and it's been here waiting for me, because this is what we gonna use to make our burger steaks. This is how I make my burgers for my cheeseburgers. Girl, stop looking at yourself and look at the camera. Okay. So like I said, I already had this done here. I made this when I came and ate my lunch. So basically, it's just TVP. And I mean, it looks just like ground beef. This is what I use to make my burgers. This is what I use like if I want to make pasta or something like that. I throw it in soup. I do everything with TVP. Like, I love it. You can get a big bag of it. It's not that expensive. But yeah, I'm finna cook this dinner. I just want to show y'all that TVP. It's super good. Like I told y'all I made burgers the other day, and my husband ate that burger so fast. Like he was finna run away. He was so impressed by that burger. He actually thought, he was like, I thought this was like a regular burger. And I had put some vegan cheese on it. Oh my God, that man tore that burger up. He talking about, next time just make sure you give me 2. No, maybe even 3. Even 3. So it's good. It made good burgers. But I'm gonna show y'all in a second, okay? Yeah. Let me just tell you how I just did something so slow. So slow. So, okay, y'all. This meal that I'm finna make, I've been craving this. Some onion gravy, some mashed potatoes, and okay, so the gluten-free flour that I just showed y'all, it was enough in there to make burgers. Well, what I thought was enough in there. Basically, what I just did was use all of my flour in the TVP mixture to make the burgers, to make the burger steaks, and forget to save some for the gravy. I mean, just as I'm about to make the gravy now, it just popped in my mind. I'm gonna figure something out, because honestly, that's what I've been wanting. This what I've been supposed to make for the past 3 days. Like, I'm literally on the brink of tears right now. I cannot believe I just did something like that. Y'all, pregnancy brain is real, okay? Pray for me. Make dua for me, please. So, yeah, guys, this is how the burgers look at the moment. And my potatoes is back there. I'm still crying about that. And I'm just steaming some broccoli, kale, minced garlic, and red onions. And I just put some salt and pepper in here. But I'm gonna try to cook off most of this moisture that's in there. And then I'm probably add some balsamic vinegar or some lemon juice in here too. And what other seasonings I feel like you need. I'm still salty, y'all, about my gravy. I promise you. So yeah, this is so far. But once we get ready to eat, then I'll show y'all how I finished meals. I went without my gravy. I just need to let the gravy go. I just need to let it go. Okay, y'all. So here is our dinner. Minus the gravy. I told y'all about the gravy drama. But honestly, alhamdulillah, at least we even have this to eat. Some people are really, really struggling. Well, at least we even have this. So you gotta practice gratitude. I'm thankful even for this. Although, you know that onion gravy would have made this bussin'. But yeah, that's it. I'm probably finna put some more veggies on my husband's plate. And maybe give him half of one of these patties over here. I know about him. These look like a mountain of food, but that ain't enough for him. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this. But what's up, y'all? I just finished eating, and right in the nick of time, my weekly food shop came. This everything I get for the week. And this just a few things. I didn't really get a lot, because we don't need that much, but we do need some stuff. Some mixed veggies here. He's got some peppers and little pieces of broccoli and all this stuff. Some peas. That is very British right there. Sweet corn. I'm trying this out. They didn't have the one that I like, the Shar brand gluten-free bread. They didn't have that. But Warburton, it's a brand here in the UK. I'm gonna try theirs. Medium eggs for my husband. I got me 2 cans of plum tomato. I have some already in the pantry, but you always need this in a Nigerian household, okay? Some Italian dressing. I got me 2 things of pasta. Sauce. Some more of this Violife cheese. I really like it, because I think I'm gonna make us burgers today, because the TVP mixture that I used today, I didn't use all of it. I saved some for what's this stuff called, to make burgers tomorrow. And some tea for my husband. He ran out of his tea. This is very British also. Some chips. Like I said, Walker's is Lay's here. I got prawn cocktail and ready salted. I should have got salt and vinegar. My husband likes salt and vinegar. Some bananas. I got a bunch of frozen bananas from the last time. Some free from fusilli, gluten-free fusilli. And I got some free from gluten-free spaghetti. Y'all seen all that. I got 3 big 5-liter jugs of water. I got one over there we working on, and some over there. This is all my produce over here. I got 2 peppers. I like to put these in my salad. I bought these. I don't know what for. They was cheap. I got an English cucumber. I never know. I'm over here. I'm in England, so is it just a cucumber? Do I not need to keep saying English cucumber? I don't know the etiquette, but I got 2 stalks of broccoli, some cherry tomatoes for salad, avocados, and I got 2 bags of salad. They didn't have the other one that I like to mix with this one, so I just got 2 of these that I know I have to eat quick, because, or either I'm gonna get some napkins and put them in a container, because these go bad fast. As you can see, they already looking suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Okay, ain't no reason that I'm out of breath. I got 2 big old things of potatoes. little white thin skin potatoes. I love them. And I got a bag of onions. So I bleached everything except for the stuff that's in the what's that place? This stuff. Yeah, I didn't get this stuff. But y'all, this is the rag. I don't know if y'all can see all the dirt on there. But this is the rag that I used with my bleach and liquid soap spray that I make. And look how dirty that is, how filthy that is. Y'all, COVID-19 is still out there. I know y'all tired of it, but that ain't gonna make it go away. And look at how nasty and dirty that is. I bleached everything. Look what it is in my rag. And scientists, they did a study and found that the virus can live on surfaces like plastic and stuff like that for up to 3 days. So just wipe down your stuff or spray it with Lysol or something like that. I want y'all to be safe. But yeah, I'm out of breath from doing nothing. Yeah, pregnancy problems. But yeah, I just want to show y'all our weekly food shop. Hello, people. This is my last meal for today. I'm having some. Wait a minute, let me hush now. Okay, yeah. I'm having I don't know if I think I showed y'all this. It's like a little soy pudding. Alpro. It's Alpro brand over here in the UK. It's the caramel flavor. And I just put some cornflakes in it. And it is so nice. But I'm having this after my dinner. I just had a little sweet tooth. But yeah, I told y'all I need to get myself together. And yeah, start being accountable. Because honestly, there are no excuses really. I am really good about, you know, keeping myself in check, you know. I don't need Ayanla. I know how to fix my own life. But honestly, you know, I just didn't get to the point in my life where, you know, most of the time you can't control like what happened to you. Circumstances, you know, ish happens. Like that's just what it is. But I can't control what I do about it and, you know, how I react to it. You know what I mean? Like, excuse me. I can sit up and play the victim, or I can make excuses, or I can just, you know, take the easy route out. But that's not gonna help me in the long run, you know. Or, you know, I could just boss up, woman up, put on my big girl panties, and, you know, just do what I need to do, you know, to take care of it, to handle the situation. So yeah, I really prefer doing the latter, because yeah, of course, you know, sometimes you don't want to do it. It's easier said than done, but I would rather go ahead and deal with that little inconvenience at the beginning rather than giving in to that little short pleasure and then, you know, having repercussions and consequences of not doing what I know I need to do later on down the line. You know, just go ahead and deal with the initial annoyance. That way you can reap the benefits later on. This is so good. And I have to eat it with this little bitty old spoon. But yeah, I'm just rambling, y'all. I'm gonna finish watching this movie. And then I'm gonna go to bed. It's about maybe 11. But I'm feeling a little peckish, so it was between this and either an apple or a pear. I chose this. So yeah. But honestly, the sugars and stuff on this is not bad. Like the macros and stuff on this is not bad, honestly. And like I said, I'm working on it, okay? In the next few days, I'll be eating apples and pears and stuff as my sweet treat. But today, I wanted this. But good night, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow. Inshallah. Y'all know how I am. Okay, bye.